Silent Machines of Vanchi. The 14th of January 2025. At 4 a.m., while the city of Vanchi still slept, the machines awoke. Down the empty streets, sleek, driverless garbage trucks hummed to life. Their LED eyes flickered, scanning real-time data from the AI-driven waste management system. For decades, garbage collection had been a thankless, human job, one of grit, sweat, and exhaustion. But now, the streets belong to the machines. From his cramped apartment balcony, Suraj Mehta, a former sanitation worker, watched as a fleet of AI-powered trucks moved with silent precision. No stops at overflowing dumpsters. No honked horns. No human voices. Just cold efficiency. His hands tightened around his cup of tea. His shift used to begin at this exact hour. He would be on the truck, joking with his team, navigating potholes and stray dogs, manually hauling rotting bags into the compactor. Now, the AI trucks moved with perfect accuracy, using data from smart bins that signaled when they were full. Each route was calculated in real time, ensuring the most optimized collection path. No wasted fuel. No unnecessary stops. No humans needed. On the street below, Rafiq, one of Suraj's old co-workers, stood by the curb, watching the same silent ballet of automation. "They're better than us," Rafiq muttered. Suraj took a slow sip of his tea. "They're faster than us," he corrected. The truck approached a collection point, its robotic arms extending with surgical precision. A dumpster lid flipped open. A metal claw gripped the garbage and lifted it into the compactor in one smooth motion. Then, it moved on. No brakes. No hesitation. No complaints. Rafiq exhaled. "What do we do now?" Suraj didn't answer. He had seen the government's promise, the AI retraining programs, the assurances of new jobs. But what was a sanitation worker supposed to do in a world where sanitation no longer needed workers? On the main road, 6 more trucks appeared, weaving through the city like ghosts in the early morning mist. Suraj turned away. He already knew what the sunrise would bring.